As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I encounter from small business owners, freelancers, and even larger enterprises looking to streamline their financial operations is about the myriad of available tools. Often, FreshBooks and QuickBooks come up in the same breath, leading to the misconception that they are interchangeable or even the same product. Let's clarify. FreshBooks and QuickBooks are distinctly different accounting software solutions, each designed with a specific target audience and set of features in mind. While both aim to simplify financial management, they approach this goal from different angles, making them suitable for varying business needs. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the right tool to manage your finances effectively. QuickBooks, the comprehensive powerhouse. QuickBooks, developed by Intuit, is arguably the most recognized accounting software globally. It's a comprehensive solution that caters to a broad spectrum of businesses, from sole proprietors to medium-sized enterprises, and even larger companies with its enterprise versions. Its primary strength lies in its robust, full-fledged double-entry accounting system and a wide array of features that cover almost every aspect of business financial management. Key characteristics and strengths of QuickBooks include full double-entry accounting. This is the bedrock of professional accounting. QuickBooks provides a complete system for tracking debits and credits, generating a comprehensive chart of accounts, and producing standard financial statements like balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. This makes it ideal for businesses that need to maintain meticulous financial records for tax purposes, investors, or complex business analysis. Broad feature set. QuickBooks offers a vast array of features beyond basic invoicing and expense tracking. This includes payroll management, robust payroll features, often integrated or as an add-on, for managing employee salaries, taxes, and deductions. Inventory management. For businesses that sell physical products, QuickBooks provides tools for tracking inventory, managing purchase orders, and analyzing stock levels. Accounts payable and receivable. Comprehensive management of money owed to suppliers, bills, and money owed by customers. Invoices. Sales tax tracking. Detailed features for calculating, collecting, and remitting sales tax. Bank reconciliation. Seamless connection to bank and credit card accounts for automated transaction importing and reconciliation. Extensive reporting. A wide range of customizable reports to provide deep insights into various aspects of your business's financial health. Multi-user access. Supports multiple users with varying levels of permissions, making it suitable for growing teams with dedicated accounting staff. Scalability. QuickBooks is highly scalable. As your business grows and its financial complexities increase, you can upgrade to different QuickBooks plans, e.g., QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Enterprise, that offer more advanced features and user capacity. Integration ecosystem. QuickBooks boasts a massive ecosystem of third-party integrations, allowing businesses to connect their accounting data with a wide range of other business tools like e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and specialized industry applications. Accountant familiarity. Due to its widespread adoption, most professional accountants and bookkeepers are highly familiar with QuickBooks, which can simplify collaboration and tax preparation. FreshBooks, the invoicing and service-based business specialist. FreshBooks, on the other hand, started as an invoicing solution and has evolved into a comprehensive accounting software primarily tailored for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small service-based businesses. Its strength lies in its intuitive user interface and features that prioritize time tracking, project management, and client billing. Key characteristics and strengths of FreshBooks include user-friendliness and simplicity. FreshBooks is renowned for its incredibly intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface. It's designed for business owners who may not have a strong accounting background, making it quick to learn and use. Exceptional invoicing. This is where FreshBooks truly shines. It offers highly customizable and professional-looking invoice templates, automated recurring invoices, late payment reminders, and seamless online payment collection. Time tracking. A core feature, FreshBooks allows users to track billable hours directly within the platform, making it effortless to convert tracked time into invoices. This is invaluable for consultants, designers, lawyers, and other service professionals. Expense management. easy tracking and categorization of expenses, including receipt capture via mobile app to keep tabs on spending and prepare for tax season. Project Management Lite. While not a full-blown project management suite, FreshBooks offers basic project tracking, allowing users to associate expenses and time with specific projects and collaborate with clients on project-related documents. Client-centric approach. FreshBooks puts clients at the forefront, offering features that enhance client communication and simplify the billing process for both parties. Service-oriented focus. Its features are finely tuned to the needs of businesses that primarily sell their time and services, rather than physical products. Customer support. FreshBooks generally receives high marks for its customer support, offering responsive and helpful assistance. The core difference: target audience and complexity. The fundamental distinction boils down to their target audience and the complexity of financial management they aim to address. QuickBooks is built for businesses that require a full, robust accounting system with features spanning inventory, payroll, detailed reporting, and multi-user access. It's for businesses with a higher volume of transactions, potentially selling both services and products, and those that anticipate significant growth. While user-friendly, it has a steeper learning curve than FreshBooks due to its extensive functionalities. FreshBooks is ideal for freelancers, independent contractors, and very small service-based businesses who prioritize straightforward invoicing, time tracking, expense management, and a highly intuitive user experience. It's perfect for those who want to spend minimal time on accounting and focus more on their core services. While it offers basic accounting features, it might not be sufficient for businesses with complex inventory needs, advanced payroll requirements, or those that need in-depth financial analysis. Which one is right for you? Choosing between FreshBooks and QuickBooks isn't about one being better than the other, but rather which one is the best fit for your specific business. Choose FreshBooks if you are a freelancer, consultant, designer, or small service-based business owner who needs an intuitive tool primarily for invoicing, time tracking, and basic expense management. You value simplicity and getting paid quickly. Choose QuickBooks if you operate a growing small or medium-sized business with diverse financial needs, including inventory management, robust payroll, detailed financial reporting, and potentially a need for multiple users and accountant collaboration. You require a more comprehensive accounting system.